Shanghai Yuson was established in 2009, has been dedicating into designing and exporting bathroom and kitchen products in China, such as faucet, showers, bathroom accessories, ceramic toilets and basins. During the last decades, we invested in 3 plants to produce our key products, in order to ensure our core advantages in the markets. Our main markets are European countries, America countries, Asian countries and also Australia, Africa, such as Germany, Italy, France, Spain, Poland, United States, Mexico, Brazil, Thailand and South Africa, etc. After years of development, we have built up detailed, systematic quality control system, experienced QC team for inspection, which will guarantee the stable and controllable quality. Yuson people have earned the reputation of reliable and honest trade partner because of our belief in the trust and mutual benefits with our clients, employers, and all business partners. Customer first is more than a slogan in Yuson company. We are always improving our services, fast response, efficient valid reply, professional knowledge for the different products, experienced marketing. The most important thing is our responsibility. In Chinese culture, responsibility is the noble quality we are always pursuing. From product design, order completion, after-sales services. Our goal is satisfied services and long-term business partner. Your trust, our mission. We will always bring you value. Choose Yuson, choose a lifetime cooperation, a lifetime partner. Let's work together and make your business more profitable.